Ginger tea recipe to kill cancer cells and cleans liver. Ginger tea has a number of remarkable properties. It speeds up metabolic processes, improves digestion and circulation, fills the body with the necessary vitamins, microelements, and amino acids. Here's the simple recipe how to prepare ginger tea for cleaning liver and kill cancer. Ginger has various organic compounds such as vitamins B and C, amino acids, minerals. It is used in fresh and dried form. Ginger tea. One of the foremost well-liked recipes of tea with ginger is ginger with honey and lemon. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. This tea is additionally known as ginger food to clean liver. The means of preparation is straightforward. You'll be able to brew ginger tea according to the classic instruction, then calm down to temperature and subsequently add honey and lemon. The instruction for tea with ginger and orange lemon juice. It's suggested to brew ginger tea with fruit juice. Brew ginger drink. Once it cools, add fruit juice to that. The combination of orange together with ginger makes this drink particularly sweet. Ginger against cancer. Ginger has become more and more well-liked in recent years as a strong anti-carcinogen, which might even be more practical than several of the prescribed drugs. Ginger extract reduces the dimensions of the prostate tumor in mice to 56%. Because of this analysis, scientists were able to verify the properties of ginger against cancer and to reveal its role within the removal of inflammation of tumors. In addition, it's also been found that ginger may be a wealthy supply of antioxidants which will improve our health in many ways. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.